Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital Tech Heaven. I am Hashad, and here we provide practical tips to master technology skills through easy tutorial on software and apps, helping you succeed at work and school. Microsoft account, create account, next, enter password, next, name, first name, last name, next, country, region, birthday, next. If you didn't get the email, press Gmail, open message, verify your email address by this message, copy the code, security code, copy, paste the code here. I would like inform tips and offers about Microsoft uncheck. Next, help us beat the robot. Next, use the arrow, rotate the object to face in the direction of the hand. Same direction. Submit. Verification complete. A quick note. Okay. Stay sign in. Yes. Minimize. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, share it to empower your friends in mastering their tech skills. Subscribe for more tutorial, hit the bell icon for updates, and drop down comment with your thoughts. Check out more of our content here and see you in the next one.